Hey guys, today we'll look into a different aspect of list items. That is how we can sort the items within the list. Now, when I'm talking about sorting a list in Python, it's a way to arrange the elements in the list in either ascending order, yeah, or descending order based on the defined criteria. So we can opt for a criteria within the sort method to make the list ascending or descending. Yeah. Such as it could be a numerical or a lexicographical order. Yeah. Now, this can be achieved using the built-in sorted function or by calling the sort method on the list itself. Now, both of which modify the original list or return a new sorted list depending on the method used. Okay. So we have two different methods. First is the sorted function that can be used, or the sort method that can be applicable. What we can do right now is first look into the sorted method. Yeah. So we'll look into the sorted. This should be small method. Yes. Now the sorted function or method in Python is a built-in function used to sort the elements of an iterable, such as could be list, tuple, or a string, and returns a new sorted list, leaving the original iterable unchanged. So it will not change the original iterable, rather it will change the list and store it in new variable. Yeah. Normally the syntax, let's go through the syntax quickly. The syntax for sorted method is sorted. Then you have to specify the iterable. It could be list, tuple, or string. Anything could be possible. Then you have an optional item key, yeah, and reverse equals to false. By default, it is false. Yeah. If you want to put the list in a descending order, you can specify it to be true. So iterable is the iterable example list, tuple, or a string whose elements are to be sorted. Yeah. Key is optional, is a function that defines the sorting criteria. So if provided it is applied to each element of the iterable sorting, default is none. So we can use or we can see this when we are using dictionaries specifically, yeah, where we can specify the key to be uh, which value or it could be a value or a key of that dictionary. So you can specify what key you want to sort in a particular list. Yeah. So let me quickly jump onto an example of sorted function. So suppose I have, and I said, I missed this, a reverse optional, which is either true or false. By default, it is false. Yeah. So if it is false, the iterable will be sorted in ascending order. So let's see by an example so that we understand what this method does. So suppose I have numbers. Of a sorted method. Yes. Let me take it a little bit up. So suppose I have numbers 3, comma 1, 2, comma 7, comma 1, comma 6, comma 5, comma 9, comma 4, yeah, 8, yeah. I want to sort this number, yeah. And I'll say print the sorted numbers, yeah. Right now, as I said, this key and reverse parameters are optional. So I'm just using the parameter, the iterable which is available. So I'm just ignoring the other parameters of key and reverse just to show you by default it does the sorting in an ascending manner. So you'll see this, what is the output that we get. So we have just used the iterable. We haven't used the parameters at all. Yeah. So it is being sorted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me use the same example, but this time we'll try to use the parameter which was reverse. I'll make it true since I have to put it in descending order. Yeah. See this? So previously, without using the reverse, by default, the reverse parameter is false. Hence, it was in ascending order. Whereas, since I specified the parameter of reverse as true, it has listed the new list or the sorted list in a descending manner. Yeah. So, guys, this is how you can sort a particular list or an iterable within Python. Yeah. So this was one of the method in which you can do it. We can check on an another way of doing it. Suppose, uh, let me use an another method. This we did for numbers. Same way, we'll check for method in descending or shortened method using lexicographical. Yeah. Now suppose I have this subjects whereas could be physics, biology, then we have chemistry, and maths. Yeah. Let's see whether it's able, apart from numbers, whether it is able to sort alphabets or words as well. Subjects, sorted subjects. Let me write. Okay. Okay. So first I'll use the normal. Okay. I need to write. Okay. I'll run this. See this? Biology, chemistry, maths, and physics. So it has sorted based on the alphabets B, C, M, and P. Yeah. Same way, we will do it in a descending order. So what we need to do for descending order is comma, reverse equals to true. Yeah, we'll run this. Yeah, physics, maths, chemistry, and biology. So this is how you can sort an iterable using the sorted method in Python. Yeah, to sort a list item. In our next video, we'll see how to use the sort function. Yeah, the parameters would be the same. Yeah, but the syntax would be different. Yeah, hope you like this video. Do like, share this with other colleagues who want to learn Python. Comment on this video if you have any views or suggestions, or if you have uh, anything important to share which will improve the knowledge of the people watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel to get such insightful videos and get further videos automatically to your inbox. Thank you so much.